Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by cleaning hair with a residue-free shampoo so strands can bind naturally. Avoid conditioners that smooth the cuticle. Once done, towel blot to damp. Do not comb or brush. You then use only your fingers to encourage the hair to group into natural clusters. Separate obvious large tangles gently at the roots so sections form instead of a single massive mat. This first action sets the foundation for long freeforms by letting natural parting and texture lead the process. You continue by establishing a gentle routine. Wash every 1 to 2 weeks, focusing on the scalp to remove buildup, then rinse thoroughly so no residue prevents locking. Once hair is damp, make sure to separate clusters at the roots weekly. This controls unintended conglutination and keeps sections defined. You may palm roll a stubborn cluster occasionally, but limit manipulation so locking happens naturally. Apply 1 to 2 drops of lightweight oil to dry ends to prevent breakage. Avoid waxes. You finish by letting time do most of the work. Freeforms typically mature over 6 to 24 months as strands tighten and locks define themselves. Once formed, minimize styling, trim only damaged ends, and continue the wash/separate cycle. If heavy matting or unintended giant mats form, make sure to gently tease at the roots with your fingers or a small crochet hook to restore distinct clusters. Do this sparingly. If mildew or odor appears, use a vinegar rinse followed by a deep shampoo to reset the hair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.